Hey guys, we are with a new video. Today we are going to learn another 5 to 6 commands. First tip is chamfer command. What is chamfer? So just telling you the chamfer command. This corner is called chamfer command. And second command we have a fillet command. Very slow. Let's make it 10. Yes. So you can see what is the difference. This corner is round, this corner is straight. So for this you have to use chamfer command, and for this you have to use fillet command. Okay, here is the fillet command and second part is a chamfer command. Okay, so let's start the chamfer command first. You have two lines, example, in opposite direction, right? So what you have to do is just click the chamfer CHA and enter. That is the short command. After that, what he is asking, select the first line, click. After that, after clicking, just enter, and again just D, press the D key and enter. Okay, now it is asking the distance. I am taking the 10 and again enter. Again he is asking another distance, like distance from this line, distance from second line. Okay, first and second. First was 10, second is example. Again I am taking 10. So enter and select the second line. So it will be automatically solved. Okay, 10 from this and 10 from this. Whatever it was here and it was here, will be automatically solved. Okay, again repeating CHA chamfer, select first line, enter, press the D, enter. Okay, fill the first distance. Okay, let's make it now 20 and again enter. Again asking second distance, make it 20, enter, and now select the second line and just click enter. Now you can see it is 2020, right? So now you can see to use of chamfer command. Again similar to fillet command. So fillet command is here. You can also use the shortcut FIL, sorry FI. Fillet command, just enter it, and what you have to do is enter R, enter. Okay, he is asking radius of arch. It will make a arch like 10, 15. Press the 30, enter, and select the first object and select the second object automatically. Okay guys, again repeating fillet, press the R, enter, it will become in the radius. Again I am using example 20, enter, select the first object and select the second object. Now it is the radius with 20. You can measure it by radius. You can click it and 20 radius. Okay guys, so this was the use of fillet command. Our next command is mirror. Mirror command is also very important. Example, mirror means you know very well meaning of mirror. So opposite. Example, you have a it is rectangle. So you have a rectangle here, right? You want to make a mirror object of this, right? So what you have to do is just press the MI and enter. MI is the short key of mirror, and select the object and enter, and select the base point, example this. And guys, there is also we have like copy and move 3 to 5 options. If you move your cursor, then your in the left, then your mirror will be in the right, because this is the opposite directions. Mirror means this opposite. If you keep your cursor in the upper side and left side, your object will be in the opposite side. So here again click and enter. You can see this is the mirror means opposite. Okay guys, again I am repeating mirror command. Now making another one object. Again you can see, select the object mi mirror, select the base point and just enter it, and you can see this is the mirror. Okay guys, so this is also very useful tool. Our next command is extend command. What extend means, you can see the name is extend means, suppose you have a line, you want to extend this line till there. What you have to do is ex, enter your line, enter the base point. See guys, first you have to select the destination. Where we have extrude command. So to make the select the destination and again enter, then click on this. It will be extrude. Again, if you have a object there, so select the destination, click, enter, and click on this. So now it is extended. So guys, extend command is only for basically used for the line only. Okay, so our next command is block command. Guys, in the architectural, civil and mechanical and electrical, also power plant design, very big design, so block command is very important. I'm telling you why. Example, you have a rectangle and you have a circle in that, and you have a another something object in this. So you have made a small design and you can save it, right? So just you have many objects in a window, right? So what you have to do, but if you want to move this item, you want to copy and paste somewhere, so you have to click on that, and that is the very tough. And again what you can do is make a block, enter B, enter, make the name is very important. Example, I am making my table 1, या only table. OK and select the whole object and enter and OK. So now if you see, if we click on this, it is a single object only, right? So difference, what is the difference of this and benefit? You can see you cannot add, you can trim, you cannot delete. If you delete this, so it will be all deleted. Okay, so but this is not only uses of block. You can use this like you can make copies, okay, in object, and also it have very good feature that if you make a block and you just want to add something, you only want to delete this item, so it will be deleted automatically in all. Just click on that, double click, enter in the table. Okay, so here you can see you have a new window. So here if you want to delete this, enter, and also you have many options. If you want to save the, you want to change the color, so enter the property. If you want to change yellow color, if you want to change this color, right guys, red color, so you can make in a single block and control save and close the block and this person save the changes. Okay, now you can see guys, we have only edited one block but our all block is edited. That is the benefit of the making the block. Also guys, your object, if your object is very heavy after hatching and color, so if you make the block, so your object will be a light object. So another use of block is that counting. Example, you are an architect and you have to make a columns, right, in a building. You just made a column of 400, tab 400, enter. You have a column example and you have made number of columns, so make it block, give name of column and enter. If you enter and OK, it is now block. Just make it copies. Example, you are an architect and you are making building design and you have many column here there, many column 18, 20, 15, 1000, whatever is the range. So what you have to just do this, just make a new command b count, that is called b count, means block count. So it will be not in that, so it is the only short key. Just press the b c o. Okay, here you have see last b count. Select this and select all objects, guys. You have selected all object and enter. Now you can see in the screen you have 10 column, right guys. Whatever in your design, everything, whatever means you have many rectangle, you have many lines. Okay guys, you have many things, but it will only count which is the block. Okay guys, see, I am copying all screen, all objects, but it will only count the block. So this is the benefit of block. Also you have very good option if you have architect working. Example, there are many things in the design, so if you have a circle, whatever, any object, chair, table, so just make it block and give the name of chair. Yes, so chair. Now you can click and add the block, you can see, and make it many copies. So now what you can do in a single design, BC page count, and select the all object and enter. Now what is, we have not selected a one column, just make it more over, okay, make it below, just b count, enter, b count, enter, and select the all objects. Now see the magic of block, enter, you have 10 column in your selected area and 17 chairs. So guys, this is the very useful tool, block, you can use in your design. We have a very big plan layout and whatever, so there you have many options, just make it block, and after that your design will be very easy. You can make edit on that block, you can make changes, you can make colors, and you can also count that, okay, in a, like, counting in a machinery form, right? So there is no chances of any miscounting and anything. Also, after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, if you open this file, you just have to put b count command and select the all objects and enter, you have a list. So this is the very good command, guys. I hope you like this. So thank you, see you in next video. Thank you.